New Shell V-Powered Nitro Plus is here.
Wag ka na lang pinukunin yung mata niya.
Designed to
Sa
start
YouTube,
working
kulit-kulit mo eh.
instantly in
No?
your engine and
Sa YouTube
help
eh, no?
improve performance.
Ano?
New Shell V-Powered Nitro Plus. Performance reinvented.
Allergies, nakakasira ng araw. So I take Claritin. These both have allergies called
Tayo ka!
watery eyes. Easy. Buo ang araw mo. Klarong-klaro, Claritin. 100% effort ka. So, una anak. Isa anak. Pero distracted siya agad. Ang dami na nakakain. Maalam yung desisyon niya, naiintindihan ko. Kaya, may katulong tayo. Bagong lacto. With essential nutrients from the food pyramid. To help make your mom 100% nourished kid. 100% panatag tayo sa lacto with
Dahil lang yan, yan lang. Ay,
Time for a makeover. When hair is dry, mukhang malis.
dahil lang yan. Pag nilikot, pag naglikot, nalalaglag.
Hair, hello, softer, smoother
Yan
hair.
lang. Pag naglikot, nalalaglag. Ang galing, Pag naglikot, nalalaglag yan. Charlie! Ito lang.
Remove na natin ang bright.
Oh, nauntog na. Puruntok.
Huwag ka ba masisimulan na kumakain? Orident Denture Adhesive Cream helps them fit more firmly. First, thoroughly clean your dentures. Apply 3 small dabs. Then, put your dentures in place.
Likot mo eh.
Firmly.
Likot eh. Yehey! Ang galing ah.
Remove them with your mouth and water. Then, with a slow rocking motion, gently pull forward. Use a soft brush to clean that over denture cream. To thoroughly clean the denture, soak it with Polydent Cleanser. This has been Medicax for quality.
Dali oh.
Handa na kayo? Ako? Oo. So, mas pinahal ng Lucky Me Spicy Hot Beef namin. Lalong pinaanghang. Lalong pinasarap ng siling labuyo. Lucky Me Spicy Hot Beef namin. Mas pinasarap ng labuyo.
Di ba mamaya gumanon yan?
Uy.
Fast Pure Deodorant. Remove dark spots and chicken skin. Dove Whitening Deodorant with 1/4 moisturizing cream and vitamin E and F to make skin whiter and smoother in 7 days. Faster than brand X. See the Dove difference.
Nga ba din, oh.
Hindi may iwasan. Sa sobrang mahal ng gamot, minsan tinitiis na lang ang karamdaman. Masama ho yun. Bakit magtitiis? Merong The Generics Pharmacy. Kasing effective ng branded. Iwala po ako dito. Sana kayo din.
Tikman ang kiss ng caramel. The new coffee mate, creamy caramel.
Parang lasing.
Caramel.
Oh. Oh.